In this video, we are going to create our first section right here. You can see we have the text right here, and then we have description, and then we can create this button right here. And also we are going to add this background image. First of all, go to your dashboard and now go to pages. This is the default list of pages. So I'm going to select all these pages, go to bulk action and click on move to trash, and then simply click on this apply button. Now click on add new page, and now simply close this box right here and go to this area right here in the options. Make sure you can turn off the full screen mode. Now we are out from the full screen mode, and you can see we have the sidebar right here, but we does not need these things. Simply click on this edit with the Elementor button. And now this page is ready to get started with Elementor. Now go to settings right here, and first of all change the page title from here. I'm going to name the page title as home, and also change the page layout to Elementor full width, and then click on publish. Now you can see we have our header and our footer only. So we does not create the header first. First we are going to create our this section, and we are going to create the header and the footer later. So let's get started. Now I'm going to add a new section. Click on this button right here, and now I'm going with 2 columns, and now right click on edit section. In the height, change the height to minimum height, and then I'm going with little bit of 600 and something like this pixels. Go to style, go to background type, and select the image. So I have already uploaded this image. Simply click on insert media, and now you can see we have added our image, but the size is not correct. To change the size of image, simply go to size and change the size to cover. And now you can see we have added our background image, and now let's add text. Simply drag and drop this heading bar, heading widget right here, and now enter your text. I'm going to simply copy this text, copy, and then I'm going to paste it right here like this. So you can see we does not here is the enter, like this text start with the new lines. So what I'm going to do is, you can simply add HTML code, which is bracket BR and then bracket. So you can see now we have added a new break, a line break right here. So if I'm going to delete this one, you can see the text is in the inline. So I'm going to use BR right here. Now let's go to style, and I'm going to change the text color to white, and in the typography I'm going to change the family to Poppins and change the weight to 800, and then I'm going to increase the size something like this, and I'm going to make the column right here something like this. And now I'm going to duplicate this heading, duplicate. First of all, let me copy this heading, copy, and I'm going to paste it right here. Now in the style, I'm going to change the size something like this, and change the weight to normal, and in the line height you can select pixels, and you can simply increase the line height something like this. I'm going with 30. So we have added our text, we have added our description, and now let's add this button. Simply drag and drop this button widget. Now in the text, change the button font, the text view portfolio. We can add link later. So first of all, go to style and change the background color to pink. So to pick this color, you can simply use Chrome extension color picker for Chrome, and I'm going to use this extension. Simply click on add extension, and Now I'm going to turn on this extension, click on this extension, and now you can simply pick the color. So this is the color code, copy the color code and then paste the color code right here. And now you have the exact color which is right here, and you can simply close the extension by clicking again and simply click on this close button. And now in the typography, I'm going to change the font to Poppins again and increase the size 24. And in the padding, I'm going to make the manual padding. You can simply increase the padding like this. And I'm going to increase the right and the left padding. And I'm going to remove the radius. So simply go with 1 pixels of radius. And now you can see we have added the button right here, which is looks right here. Simply, and in the typography, I'm going to change the family, the weight of the font to 800 and little bit decrease the font. And now you can see we have added our first section very easily. So you can match this kind of, you can create this kind of sections very easily in Elementor. So I'm also increase the minimum height size. Okay, so this is how you can create this section in Elementor very easy. See you in the next video.